Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need immediate wins. Pick one narrow niche and commit to it. Once chosen, open with a 0.3-second hook that shows the action. Viewers decide fast. Make sure to add focused keywords, 3 strong tags, and a 100-150 character description so the algorithm understands intent. Then publish your first short targeting a single idea. Don't cram multiple concepts. This starts relevant signals and gives the algorithm a clear pattern to test against. Once you have a hook, focus on retention and consistent signals. Edit tightly, cut dead space, add captions every 2 to 4 seconds, and use pacing that keeps curiosity. Use 9/16, include a thumbnail-friendly one frame, and pick audio that matches mood or a current trend. Post 3 times a week for 2 weeks and watch view percent, click-through rate, and follower growth. Then, make small edits and repeat top-performing patterns. This teaches the algorithm what to recommend. You're close. Scale what works and minimize guesswork. Replicate winning formats while varying topics by only 10 to 20% so your audience stays interested. Use playlists, the shorts shelf, and a pinned comment to boost session time. If performance stalls, troubleshoot. Swap the hook, change the audio, or reupload after 48 to 72 hours with a new thumbnail line. If nothing changes, pause, analyze, and pivot to a nearby niche rather than forcing the same angle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.